Hello, and welcome back to the Four Horsemen. My name is Paul, representing Diecast Graveyard. Myself, along with Andrew from Maple Leaf Customs, Tom from Caliber 50 Customs, Harolyn from Go Bears Diecast Workshop, and this month's guest horseman, Kuda Cole from Kuda's Diecast Customs, make up the Four Horsemen. This month's version is a GMC Syclone Hot Wheels, and the theme is Old Man's Pickup Truck. Now, you could take this many different ways. You could take it the hot rod way, you could take it the farm truck way. It doesn't matter, it's completely up to your imagination. So go ahead, kick back with your favorite adult beverage, and join along and watch this month's build with the Four Horsemen. Let's go ahead and get started with this month's build. I've already drilled out the post, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. I love this body. This truck is absolutely excellent. We still have to file down the post and put some screws in there to hold it back together when we're done. Here's the interior, and here's the windshield. We're definitely going to switch out these wheels, but that's going to be a lot of fun also. We'll get that ready for some new wheels. Let's go ahead and continue. Let's start off with getting the wheels picked out. Here's some beautiful wheels from Sam Ed Wheels. And make sure you check out Sam Ed Wheels at samedwheels.com for all your wheel needs. These wheels fit in there absolutely perfect, and that's really cool. Sometimes you may have to trim them down a bit, but these fit perfectly. Now, there's no need to go ahead and glue the wheels in because this little interior piece holds the wheels in place and allows them to roll freely. So that's pretty cool that you don't have to adjust your wheels at all. Let's go ahead and continue. My interpretation of this build is that this guy's had this truck for a long time, and it's gotten a little bit rusty working out there on the farm. So what I'm doing is I'm roughing up the fenders with this Dremel. I'm going to put like a bunch of spots in there where I believe rust would collect. Let's go ahead and speed this up and watch along as you enjoy your favorite adult beverage. Now we're going to go ahead and dirty up these tires. It's almost a shame because these wheels are really, really nice, but to get it to go with the theme of the truck, it would be silly to have a rusted out old truck and brand new wheels and tires. So let's go ahead and get them all dirtied up. I'm using this weathering kit from Tamiya. Now they come in a couple of different flavors, so depending on what colored dirts and things you want or rust, then that's the ones you can select. But you can find these on my Amazon Marketplace page. There's a link in the description for the Amazon Marketplace page. Just copy the link and post it, and it'll take you there. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell to be alerted to any future videos that come out. If you're getting anything out of these videos, hit that subscribe button, mash that like button, and you'll be alerted when I put out any new videos. Plus it helps me out too. Alright, the truck's looking really good. We got the tires all dirtied up, the truck's all rusted up. That's looking fantastic. Here's all the pieces. Here's the body, like I said, all rusted up. Hey, it's a farm truck, right? Detailed the headlights and the grille. That looks good. Here's the base with the wheels all dirtied up. That's going to go good with the truck. The base looks good. Here's the interior and the windshield. Let's put it all together and see the results of today's build. And here's what we started with. A GMC Syclone pickup from Hot Wheels. This is a really sweet truck, and we're going to go ahead and tear it apart and dirty it up. But we started by taking the truck apart. We took the Dremel and we rough up the edges of the fender wells, etc. We changed out the wheels, we got those muddied up, and then we put everything back together, and I think it turned out fantastic. And here's the result. I think this turned out pretty good. It's an old GMC Syclone truck, but you know what? It's all muddied up and it's all rusty because the guy really just did not take care of his vehicle. But this was a lot of fun, and I hope that you enjoyed today's build. Check out all the other builds from the other builders. Andrew from Maple Leaf Customs, Tom from Caliber 50 Customs, Harolyn from Go Bears Diecast Workshop, and this month's Four Horsemen, Guest Horseman, Kuda Cole from Kuda's Diecast Customs. But there's so many other ones out there, the folks that participated in the builds, and you're going to see that in the recap video. And make sure you check out their videos also, because they did some fantastic builds and they turned out really great. But this month's build was fantastic, and I hope you look forward to next month's build. Next month's Guest Horseman is Tony's Diecast Customs. Now for the month of July, the build is a Subaru WRX STI, and the theme is Rally Car. So let's go ahead and get your theme on and look forward to you participating in the July build. Send your glamour shots to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com. The build is due the last day of the month. Now make sure that when you send your glamour shot pictures, don't send them any earlier than 5 days before the deadline. I get a lot of emails during the month, and if you send it to me in the beginning of the month, it's going to get lost, I promise you. So no earlier than 5 days before the end of the build. Thank you for joining me on the Four Horsemen Diecast. Go ahead and go to the Four Horsemen Diecast YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe. That's where the recap videos are going to be, and that's also where the schedule for 2023 is going to be. Thank you, and cheers.